Hi guys, it's Ikip here, and in today's video I'm going to fix my Wi-Fi for Tahoe. And in today's video we're going to use the experimental fork of the OpenCore Legacy Patcher. And let me just make a caution, or this one is for experimental purpose and it's not the original OCPL or OpenCore Legacy Patcher. So this is a experimental fork from the guys at Insanely Mac. So we are going to use that fork to fix our Wi-Fi and see if it will work with. Sorry, we will fix our Wi-Fi and audio. As you can see right here, I don't have any audio and I don't have any Wi-Fi. So let's get started. Let me just pull up my hacking tool. As you can see right here, this is my hacking tool. And if you go to system and peripherals, you can see I have the Intel Corporation Ethernet and USB, and also my Bluetooth is working. My Bluetooth is natively supported and it doesn't need any other keys or any other settings, just work out of the box. So that's a good idea. And if let me just show you that I can connect my AirPods. So let me just, so that I can show you. You can see right here, just connect it, and they are just connected, as you can see that right there. So my Bluetooth is working. I don't need any other configuration. So guys, let's continue with the tutorial. So you can see the Wi-Fi is not working, the Bluetooth is working. So first of all, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. So this is the tutorial. It's the experimental fork. It's called OCLP 3.0 nightly. So again, I'll just caution you, if you're going to use this method, kindly be very careful, because I don't know if it will work on you. But also this method works on Intel cards. So let me just go down right here so that I can show you. So you can see here, apparently the modern Wi-Fi patch also work with Intel 7260. You can follow the post right here, and also the Intel AX to 10S is working. So that's good. So again, let's continue with the tutorial, and the requirement is just the same. Let me just come here in this is the Dotania guide, and this is the Hackintosh. So this one was for the one for Sonoma. So let me just go. We need these kegs. So let's go to the real OpenCore Legacy Patcher, but it's the same. So go to payloads and then kegs, then go to Wi-Fi. So since we're going to need where is it? iOS Skywalk, kegs, and Family Legacy. So just download this one. Go here to download. So it's downloaded. Again, download the legacy. Download. So I'll leave all the link in the description of this video, so that you can just move this one to the desktop and this one to the desktop. So that one is done. So let me just close this one. So we need to open our EFI. So let me just mount my EFI, not that one. So where is it? So this one. So this is my EFI, and this one is the one for Windows. So not this one, sorry. Sorry guys, it's the EFI right here. So open it again, open the config.plist. I'll just go with OpenCore configurator, and we need to go to system integrity. You need to put it to this one. So let me just go to NVRAM, and so that one is okay. Okay, the next thing we need to add this boot argument right here. So come here and add that one, paste that one. But we have come, if you see in this tutorial, we need to add another boot arguments. You can see if you encounter issues, specific apps, try to add this one. So let me just copy this one for now, and then come here and give it a space, and then paste there, and you need to save. Not yet, we don't need to save. We need to come here to the kernels, and in the block right here, as this one, we need to block this one. So copy the link, add here, and we need to set the min kernel to 23.0.0, like so, and we need to enable it. So we need to exclude this one and make sure it's enabled. So let's go back to the tutorial, and not that one, sorry, this one. And we need to add our checks to our EFI. So let me just show you that. If you go to add, there is none of those checks right here, so I will need to add them. I will do that right now. So let me just minimize this one, extract this one, also this one. Alright, so I just need to copy them, and let me just open my EFI and checks, and I need to paste this one like so. Let me just move this one, and then open my EFI, and then I'm going to remove all this, and then just come here, highlight this one, and then add like so. So you can see right here we have our, let me just minimize this one so that you can see we have our checks is already added. There's this one, and this one. So we go back here, and we need to set the min kernel to 23. So come back, minimize. We need to come to IO Skywalk. We need to move it right here. Let me just expand this one so that, and you need to paste that one, paste 23, paste 23. Then max kernel, you need to go with 25.99.99, something like that. 25.99.99, also 25.99.99. So guys, here our work is done, and let's go. You can just come here, let's see in the guide. So I don't need MFI pass, so that one is not needed, so I'll just leave it like that. And that's done, guys. So let me just minimize this one, come here and save our config.plist like so, and we are good to go. So I'll just disable the Intel Lucy for now, since I'm using Intel Mousy, and again come back and save. So the next thing, we need to close that one, and I just need to restart the machine. But let me just show you. Let me go to downloads, and this is the OpenCore Legacy Patcher that I've downloaded. Continue. Let's install it. So continue. Let me just move this one to trash. Also this one. And let's wait for it to, okay, it's successfully. So I'll just move to trash. So I'm gonna go to OpenCore Legacy. Right, where is it? Application, and here is it. So let's, okay, so if you see right here, you go to post install root patch, and you can see right here AMFI is enabled. So I'm going to restart the machine so that the configuration can work. So let me just pause the video and come back. As you can see, guys, after the restart, you can see the Wi-Fi is not, we don't have the sign in the middle right here, and also right now you can turn off and turn on the Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi is not showing, and also the audio right here is not working, so we have not patched that one. So let's go and patch that one with OpenCore Legacy Patcher. So like so, let's open it, and I'm going to test if the airdrop is working too. So start root patching, let's see if, okay, so there we go, we have the modem while patching. So fingers crossed, everything will go well. And that's a good sign. Okay, you can see right there, open patcher, background activity. That's good sign. So let's, and there we go, guys. So you can see it's prompt us to reboot our system. So, and that's what I'm going to do. So let me save the video and then reboot the system and come back and see. And we are back, guys. As you can see right here, our Wi-Fi is working. Also the sound is working, and the Wi-Fi right here it's working, as you can see right here. So if you go to settings, you can see, as you go to Wi-Fi, you can see right here it's connected. Wi-Fi is working very good. Also my Ethernet is working, and the audio also is working. So let me just play a NCS song so that we can not get copyrighted. So let's see, let's try this one. As you can hear, it's playing well. The Wi-Fi is the sound is working, sorry. Let me go Hackintosh tool. So guys, the Wi-Fi is working, and if you go to peripherals, you can see here we have the Broadcom and sorry guys, subsidiaries. So that one is working too, and also we have the Ethernet. So yeah, so let me try and send something to my iPad. Okay, so let's try to send this one to this. And as you can hear, I've just received it, and there we go. So let me just delete this one and then receive the file from this iPad. So let me just share and come to yes. So you can see right here I need to receive another, so let me just save it to download, and it is receiving the file. So, and just like that, this is our file. So guys, the airdrop is working just fine, and also everything is working. I don't see anything that is not working. So guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. If you see it to be helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, share, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.